Everybody, this is Tom from Horizon Hobby and Spektrum RC. We're going to do some videos on how to set up drive modes and how to better utilize the drive modes that are already in the DX5 Pro. So drive modes, they've been around for a little while. They've been on radio since the DX6R, the DX5R has them, but the 5 Pro we're really going to use to kind of outline just how helpful they can be. In this video we're going to cover
trainer mode.
Let's get to it. So trainer mode is all about being able to hand off your radio to somebody that's not familiar with, let's say, your big electric vehicle like the Super Baja Ray. You don't want somebody jumping in on 6S on this and bashing into people's ankles, so we have a trainer mode, and that's pre-set up for the Super Baja Ray on the DX5 Pro. So let's look at what trainer mode is and how it functions. Alright, so we're going to go over what is in the radio that makes trainer mode. So we're going to look at, we're on Super Baja Ray, that's one of the preloaded models that's on here, and you guys can see that we have a few different ones. We've got the DBXLE all the way down to the Tenacity T, and we've got them marked off by cell count, 2S, 3S, whatnot. So we're focusing on trainer mode. Trainer mode is essentially turning down rates, or like the amount of travel on steering and throttle. You can see it's set to 75%, and it's in this position. That's the trainer mode. If we flip the switch, you can see, well, we go to different modes here. We've got different rates, but trainer mode is turned down a little bit, and if you feel like that's too much for your car or for who you're giving it off to, you can turn it down, but we find that it's really manageable. Same with throttle rate is down a good amount. Same with expo. We add a little bit of expo for the trainer mode. And AVC gain, we've got that turned up really high so people can't kind of get out of control. Same with traction, we've got that turned up. It's a cool mode that you can play around with. And here's a cool way to set up drive modes, is if you're new to this or you've got another radio that doesn't have these preset drive modes in it, you can set them up here. And just like here, we've got a name trainer. You can change the name if you'd like. We've got slick, so those are the drive modes that are on here. Or with trainer mode, like I was saying, it makes it easy to pass off the radio just with the flick of this switch. You put it into trainer mode and you can pass it off, and somebody else that's not quite into RC can have a lot of fun with it. So the DX5 Pro has a lot of drive modes pre-built into it, as you've seen here. And you can set up those drive modes on any radio that has drive modes available. Drive modes are super easy to set up, and if you want to, just follow along with these videos and you can set them up yourself or get your hands on a DX5 Pro. Alright, so this has been Tom the Bomb, and this has been another explosive video. Thanks guys, like and subscribe.